Ever wished your money could just organize itself? Like, you get paid, and poof. A chunk goes to your rent, another to your holiday fund, and suddenly, you're not constantly wondering where all your cash went. If that sounds like a dream, then you're in the right place. We're about to dive into the world of Monzo savings pots, and trust me, it's a game changer for anyone looking to get a tighter grip on their finances without feeling like they're constantly sacrificing. Think about it. How many times have you set aside money for something specific, say, a new phone, a car repair, or even just your Christmas shopping, only to accidentally dip into it for something else? A spontaneous dinner, an unexpected bill, or maybe just that must-have gadget you saw online. It's a common struggle. Our main current account often becomes this chaotic melting pot where all our income and expenses mix, making it incredibly difficult to see how much we really have for specific goals. This isn't about being bad with money, it's about the tools we use. Traditional banking often forces us into this one-size-fits-all approach, where all your funds live in one place, making it easy to blur the lines between your discretionary spending and your essential savings. This is where Monzo steps in, and specifically, its ingenious savings pots feature. It's like having multiple digital envelopes for your money, each earmarked for a different purpose. No more accidental dipping, no more mental gymnastics trying to remember what money is for what. Instead, you create dedicated spaces for your various financial goals, making your savings visible, accessible, and most importantly, protected from impulse spending. We're not just talking about long-term goals here, although there's certainly a perfect fit. Savings pots are fantastic for short-term goals too, like saving for a specific bill next month, an upcoming birthday present, or even just your weekly grocery budget. The beauty lies in its flexibility. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting them up, let's briefly touch upon why this approach to saving is so effective. It leverages a psychological principle called mental accounting. Essentially, we tend to categorize and treat money differently based on its intended purpose. By creating distinct pots, Monzo helps us apply this mental accounting in a practical way. It makes saving less abstract and more tangible, turning a big, daunting financial goal into smaller, manageable chunks. This not only makes saving feel less overwhelming but also gives you a powerful sense of accomplishment as you see each pot grow. Plus, the visual separation helps prevent that feeling of deprivation often associated with saving. Instead, you see your money actively working for you, allocated to things you value. So, are you ready to transform your Monzo account into a financial powerhouse? Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Monzo app and navigate to your account. This might seem obvious, but it's the crucial first step. Launch the Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. You'll land on your home screen, which gives you an overview of your main balance and recent transactions. This is your financial command center. Step 2. Find the Add New button or scroll down to your pots. On your home screen, you'll see a series of cards representing your main account, any existing pots, and other Monzo features. To create a new pot, you'll typically find a prominent Add New button. If you scroll down past your main account balance and existing pots, you'll also see an option to add a new pot. Both lead to the same destination. Tap on either one to proceed. Step 3. Choose Savings Pot. Once you tap Add New or Add a New Pot, Monzo will present you with a few options: Savings Pot, Joint Account, and potentially others depending on new features. For the purpose of this video, we're focusing on personal savings, so select Savings Pot. This is where the magic begins. Step 4. Name your pot. Be specific. This is a critical step for mental accounting. Don't just name it savings. Give it a clear, descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Are you saving for a holiday to Bali? New laptop fund? Emergency car repairs? Christmas Presents 2025? The more specific you are, the more motivated you'll be to contribute and the less likely you'll be to rate it for something unrelated. This is your chance to personalize your financial goals. Take a moment to think about what you're saving for. Step 5. Set a target, optional, but recommended. Monzo gives you the option to set a target amount for your pot. This is incredibly useful for big goals. If you know you need £1,000 for your new laptop, enter £1,000. Why is this important? Because Monzo will then show you your progress towards that goal, both as a percentage and as a visual bar. This visual feedback is a powerful motivator. It transforms a nebulous saving goal into a tangible challenge, making it easier to stay on track. If you don't have a specific target in mind, perhaps it's an ongoing emergency fund, you can skip this step, but for most specific goals, setting a target is highly recommended. Step 6. Choose your pot type, regular pot versus savings pot, with interest. This is where Monzo offers a really compelling advantage. You'll generally have two main options. Regular pot, this is simply a place to hold your money, separate from your main balance. It doesn't earn interest. This is perfect for short-term goals, or money you might need to access relatively quickly, as withdrawals are instant. Savings pot, with interest, this is the game changer. Monzo partners with other banks to offer competitive interest rates on money held in these pots. Your money is still held within your Monzo account, but it's effectively earning interest while it sits there. Think of it as a mini savings account within your main account. The key thing to note here is that while your money is still accessible, there might be slight restrictions on withdrawal times, e.g., next working day, depending on the specific partner bank and product. Always check the terms and conditions displayed in the app for the specific interest-bearing pot you're setting up. For long-term goals like a house deposit or retirement savings, this is an excellent option to make your money work harder for you. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll assume you're choosing a savings pot with interest, as it's often the most beneficial. Step 7. Fund your pot, initial deposit. Now that your pot is set up, it's time to put some money in it. Monzo will prompt you to make an initial deposit. You can transfer money from your main Monzo balance into your new pot. Simply enter the amount you want to contribute, and confirm. This is the exciting part, seeing that first chunk of money hit its new home. Step 8. Automate your savings with scheduled deposits, highly recommended. This is perhaps the most powerful feature for consistent saving. Monzo allows you to set up recurring payments from your main account into your pots. This is where set it and forget it comes into play. Frequency, you can choose daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly deposits. Amount, decide how much you want to contribute with each regular payment. Date, select the day you want the transfer to occur. Many people align this with their payday, so a portion of their income automatically goes into their savings before they even have a chance to spend it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.